Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that a graph of a line in the xy plane passes through the point 1, 4 and crosses through the x-axis at the point 2, 0, so it also goes through the point 2, 0. The line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, b. We're looking to find what b is, so we're looking to find the y-intercept basically. The easiest way to do this is to find the equation of the line in slope-intersect form, where this b actually lines up with this b, but we'll get to that. First, we have to find the slope, which is m, and that's the change in y between these 2 points divided by the change in x. So going from this point to this point, y changes from 0 to 4, so 0 minus 4, x, and you can just draw this arrow here because you have to go the same direction both sides. So y goes from 0 to 4, x goes from 2 to 1, so 2 minus 1. So the slope is 0 minus 4 is negative 4 over 2 minus 1, which is 1. Negative 4 divided by 1 is negative 4. Therefore, y is equal to negative 4x plus b. Now, we want to solve for b. What we're going to do is we're going to plug in one of these points. We know this point is on this line, so what the equation is correct when we plug in 4 for y, for example, and 1 for x. So let's do that. We have 4 is equal to negative 4 times x, which is 1, plus b. 4 is equal to negative 4 plus b. Adding 4 to both sides gets these to cancel. 4 plus 4 is 8 is equal to b. So we have y is equal to negative 4x plus b, so plus 8. And this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. We're asked, the line crosses the y-axis at point 0b. What is the value of b? Well, the value of b is 8. If you want to see why that is, think of b as the value of y when x is 0. So y is equal to negative 4, x is 0 in this case, plus 8. Negative 4 times 0 is 0, plus 8, which is 8. So again, whether you can just recognize it from the slope-intercept form or actually plug in 0 for x and figure it out, you get the value of b is equal to 8, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.